Hey natural ladies, welcome to my natural hair journey. I'm Joy. If you're watching this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So as you guys can tell from the title, today we are going to be flexi-rodding this old flat iron hair. It's time for something new, and I am getting ready for my son's first birthday party, so I couldn't go with just a ponytail because I had to be ready for those pictures. And right now, I'm just detangling my hair to make sure there's no tangles in there because you don't want tangles if you're about to do any type of curling to your hair, period, or anything to your hair, period. You don't want tangles, but now I'm just separating my hair into two sections. I'm going to do one section at a time. And then after I do that, I'm going to put that hair to the side and detangle. Well, make sure it's still no tangles in the hair. Then I'm going to put some styling foam and rub that in. So now I'm going to use a powder brush to make sure the foam and stuff is evenly distributed. Now I'm going to wrap the hair around the FLEXI-ROD. I'm pulling it away from my face so the curls don't fall to my face. They can fall backwards. And I make sure the hair stays close together so I can have a curl as if I used a curling wand. Now I'm just bending the ends to make sure the FLEXI-ROD doesn't move, and I did the bottom first so the ends don't slip out. And I know that you couldn't really see what I was doing, but I'm about to give you guys a closer look so you can actually see the movement of my hands and exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn some music on and stop talking y'all head off, and I'm doing the exact same steps that I did before. So now that I showed you guys what to do, I'm just going to fast forward the rest of this. I'm doing the exact same things you just saw. And I know I should have shaved my underarms. Y'all probably like, I knew this was a natural hair channel, but I didn't know like she was going to be like all natural. But yeah, I didn't know my underarms was like that till I started the video. But I had to get the video done and I had to get my hair done. So, like everybody got hair under their arms. It's cool. Don't even worry about it. Okay, back to the music. So I went off camera to finish the rest of my hair. I only have 3 sections left. I didn't want it to be too tedious for you guys to keep having to watch me do the same thing over and over again. But I am going to show you guys the takedown also. So just keep watching and stay tuned. And excuse the static that you can hear. My laptop is overheating as always. So now we are done this part and your girl is tired. So I'm just going to turn around and let you guys see what's going on. I know it's about to be a horrible night sleeping, and actually it was. I had to end up like bending the FLEXI-RODs like in weird ways so I could actually like lay down comfortably. Well, as comfortable as I could get. Comment down below if you wear FLEXI-RODs to sleep and you can sleep comfortably. Or comment your horror stories about wearing FLEXI-RODs. So now I'm trying to get this scarf on my head. This was actually so hard to Yeah, this was just, it was just crazy. Look at me. Over it. Yeah, I know, girl. I was there. I know exactly how you feel, sis. Mm-hmm. Yep, exactly like that. So this is the next morning. Yep, I woke up like this. And so we're about to get ready for a takedown. And let's see how it comes out.
Yeah, he had a blackface on, and they used to call him what are them names that you call?
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Of course the front one got wet in the shower. So what I'm doing right now is attempting to blow dry the piece of hair that got wet in the shower. What I didn't realize is that I was ruining the curls that I already had. So I'm going to end up having to FLEXI-ROD the rest of my hair again. That whole like section I'm going to have to try to do again and see if it comes out right. So now I'm about to take these down. Look at me trying to make sure that one not wet because I do not have time. But anyway, so I'm taking these down now and I'm hoping that they match the other side, but I guess we shall see. So I'm definitely not excited about how the left side turned out. If you do this, make sure your hair is completely dry. If you do decide to use a blow dryer, do not let the blow dryer blow your hair all around because it will ruin your curls. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to share it. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Love ya.